personally apologize to everyone for the fire alarm. Today's a very special day, and I was gonna wear Speedos on stage today. But the minute I walked out the backstage room, the fucking fire alarm went off because that shit was too hot for TV. What's up, Riley?
In all that madness, I kind of forgot about something that's really important right now, which is the game that's going on next door. And just saying, last I checked, it was Yankees 2, Red Sox 9.
Now listen, guys. Riley was actually born here in Massachusetts. Make some noise for Riley. I'm from New York, right? But time out. I like the Mets, so that means I fucking hate the Yankees. No big deal, man. I just like to see them lose. Like, my team is a team of the people. They're struggling. The Yankees are like, oh yeah, we're fucking cool. You're not fucking cool, man. Fuck you guys, man. But in all honesty, guys, here's the thing, man. There really is no right or wrong answer in life. It's just about kind of choosing your own path and making your own way. And with Cobra Starship, that was the point of our band. A lot of different brothers and a sister coming together and making our own way in life. And doing whatever the fuck we want to do. And when we started this band, we had a lot of haters, a lot of doubters, a lot of people who said, you guys are never gonna fucking go anywhere. And guess what? Here we are in fucking Boston selling out the fucking House of Blues. Well, it's not just for us, it's because you guys support us and we owe you guys everything, so thank you guys so much. Take you guys back with just a little important lesson that I learned, man. It's this. In life, no matter what you do, there will always be people who are gonna wanna watch you fail at it. And when you see those people, remember what we did, and remember the 3 little words of this song. And those words are kiss,